How to add and use extension in Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how from where you can download extension from Chrome's, or from where you can install it and how you can use it. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you all details of Chrome extension. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Chrome browser first. Okay, so here we are. This is my Chrome browser. First thing, we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So just click on this three dot option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you are able to check whether your Chrome up to date or not. So it is, in my case, my Chrome is up to date, but if your Chrome not up to date, it will be start updating automatically, and after update you have to just relaunch. You will see the one button here that you have to click and your Chrome browser will be reopened. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the extension is like plugins, like the all plugins are for different requirements. So you can search plugins for your requirements and you can use as per your requirements on Chrome. So add-on is the separate skill, or you can see the option that you want to add on your Chrome browser. So I will show you how you can add it. So you can see this is a puzzle icon, this is extension puzzle icon, and you can see I have this is all extension I used. Okay, so I will show you how you can add the extension. Just click on the three dot option, go to the settings. Under the setting, just come to the very bottom and this side, go to the extensions, and this is my all extension which is I have already installed in Chrome. Okay, if you have extension in Chrome, then you can see here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can add the extensions. Okay, just click on this three line icon, go to the open Chrome web store. So this is like web store, like Play Store. If you're using the Android phone, there's a Play Store. So same as this is a web store for Chrome browser. Okay, so this is extension, you have to click on it and you can search extension. Like if you want to search extension for like any like themes, whatever. Okay, for new one tab, this is very useful extension, one tab. If you are using the lots of tabs, then you can use it for one tab. Okay, so this is my requirement. I want to use lots of tabs in one tab, so I just search with keywords. So here you can search with your keywords whatever your requirement, then the all extension will become. Then you can see the popularity, how many people using this, and the rating. So this one using the lots of people, so I'm also use this. So you have to just click on it. Now you have to add it and click on add extension again. Then particular file will be download here, start to download. Okay, just okay. So now just click on puzzle icon. When you see this option remove from Chrome, then just click on this puzzle icon, and here you will see this extension which you have installed. Now you have to pin it. After pin, it will be pin and your toolbar. Now this is extension. Okay, you can see now when I click it on all my tab come to the one tab only. Now I can open it as per my requirement. You can see. Okay, this is extension. Now if I want to remove it, I have to just click on this puzzle icon, and from here I can remove it. If there is no option in this section, you can simply go to the manage extension, and from here you can remove. First you have to deactivate and remove it. Okay, so that is how you can use or add extension in Chrome. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.